And made it. Whew, there it is. All right, got some tooling. Those are some big bits. And stuff. And more stuff. Yep. Lots of metal stuff. Ooh, and a vise. It's a Kurt with a swivel base, a 4-inch, clamps, handle, and what is that? A patented, oh, it's like a speed handle or something. I gotta figure that out. That's pretty cool. All right, well, oh boy. Quick walk around. 4-jaw. Looks like this is how we move it. Wow. That is, no way, that's, okay, good. That's not solid. There's relief on the backside. Good, I can lift that then, probably. All right, we got jack points under here. Beautiful. A few more bits and pieces. Let's see, cover. Here's that little piece that's cracked. Oh, that's nothing. Looks like that holds in some felt or some such. Great big 3-jaw, very cool. And it's been torched, so yeah, that was brazed. That was actually gonna hold up. I'll probably end up grinding and cleaning that up a bit when I refurbish things. Ooh, that's really satisfying. And oil-soaked moth. Hey, dude. Good. Not a whole lot to do then. Give it a paint job. Maybe soften up the jagginess there a little bit. Make a new piece to hold the kind of like a felt oil pad. And do a little work to the wheel. But other than that, I appear to be in good working order. Fantastic. Okay, there's nothing to it. Just go straight over to the tailgate, and I'll probably pop the bar out so it lays flat. Oh. Are you even, are you even lifting? No.
Yeah. Well, it's more than I expected. I thought, oh, this can be like 70 pounds. Well,
No,
maybe.
it's like 200.
I know.
I told you that.
Yeah, I thought my part would be like 70, not 100.
Can you get it up?
That's a personal question.
It's all right. Just got it loaded. As you saw in the video, I had one crash. That was scary as hell. Turns out it's top heavy. So, wheeling it on, I use these planks as backup. If I had another crash, it would land on that instead of falling 3.5 inches, it would only fall about 1.5 inches. Gotcha. Man, I love that pry bar. All right, packed up, loaded up, strapped down, ready to go. One maybe problem though, I might be stuck. So take your bets right now. Definitely sitting on the axles. Do you think I can get out? Only one axle got stuck. That wasn't bad.
Did it rip that out?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Here we go. All loaded in. I got the bottom secure. Wood is slippery. Strapped down. It is a little top heavy. I don't know if you can see this, but the planks are definitely deformed. I'll have to check the trailer frame when I get home, see how it is. But for now, it looks good. And yep, we're riding on the Timbrins, so it is a load. Not gonna be a very smooth ride. That's okay. Suppose I should see how much space we got with the axles. Let's see. Oh yeah. Lots of room. Perfect. I think all things considered, that's pretty good mileage for highway 65. Well, so far so good. Back on the road. A little over 3 hours to go. It's misting, which is not that great. But I don't know. I'm gonna clean up the machine anyway, so I guess it's not gonna hurt anything. Hopefully I can get it in the shop tonight and dry it off. Did pretty good on mileage though. Before it rains!
Hurry! Think you can do it?
I think. Hopefully.
Smells like my grandpa's shop.
It's machine restoration season. Got a Bridgeport and a lathe to do.
Actually, yeah, that's not my machine.
So we'll get them all prettied up.
Just reminds me of my grandpa.
Get some new oil in it and all that. See all the gears in there? That's pretty cool, hey? These are for the different feed speeds.
Charlotte, what do you think of the Monarch?
See this?
The Monarch.
What does your mean?
Is it as beautiful as a Monarch butterfly?
It's better. Rigging some stuff in the shop before we go out. This is the lift ring, shackles, 2 straps, and a 3/8 chain. Yep. And then I found an old manual for how to move and install the lathe. And what is proper for this one is to put 2x4s on either side of the ways. The main thing here is to protect these screws and shafts. That way when the strap is taut, so like that, it'll come up against the side there. And there's no risk of bending these because that would be game over. All right, everything's staged. I'm just waiting for the end loader to show up. I got my planks, which will slide out to these blocks and hopefully stay level. A guide strap is attached. Not gonna come off. It's got those little spring clippies, so didn't want that popping off at the wrong time. Everything's been taken off the trailer. The tractor is hitched up so we can pull the trailer out when ready. And if you're wondering why don't I dig it in and do it like before, especially since I can tip it with the tractor 3-point, the slope, you can't see slopes very well on the camera, but the slope on the front stoop here is pretty severe. It's about a 3-inch slope for every 4 feet, 5 feet, and it just ends up being a little too steep for what I want to push uphill. And I don't have a great anchor point in the shop to attach a winch to, so yeah, just a little outside of my DIY realm. We'll play it by ear. I really don't know where the center of gravity is on this. It might have to, the straps might have to get split by the chuck. I'm not sure, but we'll find out.
I'll pick it up a little bit and just grab the back of it and see how, if you know what I mean? Yeah. See how much we're off, eh?
Pick up maybe 500 pounds on one side.
Something, yeah, you know, just a little. Pick up on it because it'll tip it, hey?
That was a lot of work. Across the state, on a trailer, back across the state, off a trailer, and now finally it's home. It's where it's gonna stay for a long time, or at least I'm not moving this thing ever again. And yeah, now it's winter's coming up, and this is the project I've been looking forward to along with the Bridgeport. It's gonna get gone through, it's gonna be working perfectly, which basically it is working perfectly, so I just have to change fluids. And it's gonna look great. It's gonna get a brand new paint job and look nice and new and shiny. And this is what I'm going to learn metal lathe on. This is my first metal lathe. I've never even turned one on. Same with the Bridgeport. So this is pretty exciting. Now I'm consider myself a woodworker for my hobby time. This is a wood shop. This is just a little something extra for that back room. Not giving up woodworking anytime soon. So anyway, yeah, I'm excited. This is awesome. And thanks for watching. And till next time.